Celebrities and politics go hand in hand. From promoting central schemes to advocating for a particular political party, running for elections to urging people to vote and choose their leaders, celebrities play an important role in Indian politics. Many celebrities have entered politics in the hope to make the world a better place and bring about the changes they often want their leaders to make. Since time immemorial, we have seen a significant number of celebrities standing for elections and making a shift from the glamour world to the world of politics. Today, on August 15, as we celebrate India's independence, let's look at how some celebrities, both living and dead, took their love for the nation a step further by joining politics. Considered as the first superstar of the country by many, late Rajesh Khanna entered politics under the reign of Congress. He was a Lok Sabha member from the year 1992 to 1996. He had big plans to focus on his political career, but backed out from it in 1996. Yet another superstar, Amitabh Bachchan, took a break from acting to make a brief appearance in politics in the year 1984 with the support of family friend, former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. The actor also contested for the seat of Prayagraj in the 8th Lok Sabha elections. Though he won the elections with a big mark, Amitabh's political journey was short-lived. Some say a scandal reportedly pushed him to resign from politics. Dream girl Hema Malini's career in films was remarkable, but in 2004 she officially joined BJP and was appointed as the General Secretary of the BJP. In 2014 general elections, she was elected to Lok Sabha after she defeated Mathura's Jayant Chaudhary. After carving a niche for herself in Bollywood, this senior actress started her political career with her involvement with non-profit organizations. Kiran Kher joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2009. She represents the Chandigarh constituency. A Rajya Sabha MP from the Samajwadi Party, Jaya Bachchan has been a parliamentarian since 2004. Known for her natural acting style, she has essayed several notable characters in films. She is now known as an actor as well as a politician. Her impressive speeches in the parliament often goes viral. Ravi Kishan currently serves as a Member of Parliament Lok Sabha from Gorakhpur. He predominantly works in Bhojpuri in Hindi cinema. Kishan joined Indian National Congress from the Jaunpur constituency in Uttar Pradesh. In February 2017, Kishan left the Congress party and joined the BJP. He contested the 2019 general elections from Gorakhpur constituency and won. This young popular actress joined active politics in 2019 and contested from Basirhat as a Trinamool Congress candidate. Not only did she deliver a convincing victory, but her vote margin was also more impressive than most other winning candidates in the state. She emerged as the winner by a margin of 350,000 votes. She won despite being at the receiving end of sexist trolling from sections of the Bengali public. For decades, she reigned on the big screen with one great performance after another. Then she made her political debut as a Congress candidate in the 2019 Lok Sabha election from the Mumbai North constituency, which she eventually lost. She later resigned from Congress. On 1st December 2020, she joined Shiv Sena. Popular Indian playback singer, actor and host Babul Supriyo joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in March 2014. In the 2014 Indian general election, he was nominated by the party as their candidate from Asansol, West Bengal and won it. Supriyo, who had held several portfolios as a Minister of State in the Narendra Modi government since 2014, was removed from the position earlier last month following a major cabinet reshuffle. The same month, he resigned as Lok Sabha MP and announced his decision to quit politics. In 2019, Sunny Deol threw his head in the political ring and joined BJP. He said he decided to join politics as he was inspired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and wanted to make a difference in public life. He won the 2019 Lok Sabha elections from Gurdaspur constituency by a huge margin. He is currently serving as a Member of Parliament from Gurdaspur.